Hey, thanks for joining us. This is part two of the article that we're taking a look at from MSNBC about loan modification. And I don't want to spend too much time here, but what they're saying is 20% of eligible borrowers have actually applied out of that 4 million that have been targeted. And out of that 4 million that's been targeted, only 1,700 homeowners have actually completed the process. That's disturbing. That's nationwide, 1,700. Okay, in B of A, in our example here, B of A workers, and it's the same thing throughout the different lenders. But these guys are taking 15 calls an hour. That means 4 minutes for your phone call. It's no wonder they can't find your file. They have no idea who talked to you last. 4 minutes per file. You're on the phone for an hour, hour and a half, waiting to talk to somebody. Highly inadequate. They need to do something about that. But in the meantime, if you can't make your payment, then you're stuck. You're stuck trying to do it on your own because that's what you've been told that you need to do. Now, these homeowners have all, not homeowners, but these workers, they got 4 weeks of classroom study. They've never been in the mortgage business before. And if you move down here a little bit, let's move this down a little bit. Again here they say that the new hires have no previous mortgage industry, and in fact, this one example that they're giving used to be, work at a chain hotel. So, but they learn how to learn scripts, and they even have special scripts called soft skills, which is bedside manners on how to tell you that you're dying. Okay, you're dying, mortgage wise. Okay, so, oh, I'm so sorry, we can't help you, you've been denied. Oh, I feel your pain, but we're going to take your house away. Yada yada yada. So more excuses from B of A. They've got 12 different locations. Talk about a nightmare trying to track down your file. No wonder they get different conflicting responses. Here's another employee that's doesn't have any prior experience. Uh, this person was a mortgage or marketing manager for a casino. Knows all about gambling. Don't want to gamble with my loan though. Okay, so I'm looking for help. So I'm not going to do this on my own if I were you, even though that's the popular opinion that the government and the press likes to talk about out there and tell you that you can't trust anybody other than a government worker who will do it for free, or your lender who will do it for free, and they are lacking big time. So here's a gentleman that they bring out, Mr. Hicks. He's a retired disabled veteran. He's been trying to get a loan modification since spring, and this is fall, almost winter time here, and until he's had to fax documents several times, talked with numerous representatives. Yeah, they got 12 locations. Where's my file? I'm lost. I'm just one person trying to save my home, lost in this nightmare. And every time he gets somebody, he gets different answers. Not a good situation. The only reason that he's gotten help, was offered help, was because the Associated Press made some inquiries on his behalf, and he finally got $100 reduction. Okay, and then poor Mr. Hicks says, yeah, he's been trying, but you got to learn to learn their dance. Okay, you got to know everything that's going on, and homeowners don't know what's going on, and it's hard to do that. Um, Again, B of A's making excuses. This is not an entitlement. Here, another B of A executive, vice president, senior vice president says the industry and the government's made it all sound too simple. It is, and he's absolutely correct. I wouldn't say the industry. Industry's trying to get your business and say, you know what, you need to hire somebody professionally. The government and the press, however, are the ones that are making it sound way too simple. Just call your lender and they'll be happy to walk you through and give you all kinds of money. So they've been paid again $45 billion out of federal bailout money, only to 1,700 employee or 1,700 homeowners nationwide from everybody have completed it. That's tragic. This is B of A who's got 45 billion. you know, not counting all the other lenders. Anyways, if you would like to be pre-qualified and see if you meet the qualifications, you can give us a call, and we can do that for free for you. If you decide that you want to move forward, we can place you with a law firm that is doing modifications successfully and getting help for homeowners. Our website is www.usloanmodifier.com. You can also go to our blog, which is a /blog. So that would be www.usloanmodifier.com /blog, and you can get some information there. I thank you for your time, and we hopefully can get this solved for you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.